is working to position itself as bicycle friendly. More trails and routes open to the public every year, but some believe it's not enough. A large group of cyclists joined forces for what they call a critical mass bicycle ride. They say it's to make you more aware of who you share the road with. And our Mark Holmberg was with them. Here's his report and commentary.
Richmond time. Roger, roger.
Keep perpetual motion because we're going to mainly be on one-way streets. Any questions?
So if you've been around town any length of time and you've seen bicyclists kind of grouped up on the road, maybe holding up traffic a little bit, what's that all about?
We're just going on a nice big group bicycle ride through the fan and trying to promote cycling awareness and community in Richmond.
For 21 years, critical mass rides have been going off in cities all around the world. Richmond has had some big ones over the years. They are an interesting combination of celebration, exhibition, and a sort of protest that can force motorists to slow down to a leisurely bicycling speed.
People are crazy, absolutely crazy. It's actually kind of cool how they all get together though.
Keep going!
You guys are not supposed to run red lights. Or are you? Can you?
Yeah, well, whatever. We're cooler than that.
But really big rallies in larger cities can really frost motorists, some who have lost control. Mostly in Richmond, they're pretty calm, as was the one this afternoon.
I don't think we encountered much. We encountered less than I expected, actually.
I've seen times, same ride where people get really pissed off.
Yeah, and I can, and actually, if my life circumstances were different, I might be hostile occasionally. So I can understand it. But I mean, fortunately, for the most part, we only held up people for a few seconds at a time.
I love that.
There are no permits. Riders will argue it's a spontaneous ride of like-minded folks. But it's enough to make you stop and think of a city where most people ride, for the environment, for camaraderie, for their mental and physical health.
I don't think people were too intimidating or anything. I think people were quite respectful, and I think it was good.
So there it is. Saw lots of waves, some congratulations, thumbs up, a couple of horn honks. Nobody got hurt. In Monroe Park, Mark Holmberg, CBS 6 News.